When securing your wheelchair into the vehicle, you attach the front tie downs outside the vehicle. You turn your tie down button on, which releases your front tie downs. You attach these onto the anchor points at the front of your wheelchair. When they're attached, turn off your switch, then you're ready to go up the ramp. When the wheelchair is going in, they will retract, and wherever you stop, the front of the restraint tie down will be secured. When you get into the vehicle, always reverse a little bit, and that will tighten up the front tie downs. So then when you put the rear tie downs on, the wheelchair is really secure. And that is now your wheelchair secured in the vehicle. When securing your wheelchair into the vehicle, you'll have restraints. These are designed to hold your wheelchair in place at all times. This has a groove at the bottom of it and a groove in the floor. It's literally just slide and click, then you hook it to the rear of your wheelchair, and then to tighten it up, you just turn these at the side, which will secure it tighter. The restraints have to pull down the wheelchair to make it secure. To undo it, you press the red button, unhook, and it just slides off the back. When your wheelchair is not in use, it's always good to leave these secured on here so then they don't move about the vehicle.